Yeah, just close your eyes.
Do I have a double chin?
No, you look great.
I'll kill you.
Best. Fantastic. Just keep staying dead.
Oh yeah, yeah, stuff like
Monster
that.
in the house. Run, Will.
Where? What?
At him. Run forward.
Say I gotta run this way.
Quick, run sideways.
I broke my nails.
Ew. Ouch.
It's called commitment.
Right here, coming in fast. Go. Turn. There you go. Sophia, we're filming. Can you go upstairs? Can you go watch Harry Potter?
It's more smoke in here.
I know.
Harry Potter!
I know it is, Sophia.
Can't have to smoke.
We did. This is all we need.
I don't see anything.
Alright, here you go. Fogging intensifies. Mark, on your mark.
Get set.
Ray. No, get on your mark.
You're a whore. You're so white. Oh, you're not
Hold
fucking
it up! You're not holding it up! I can't be ready until you hold it up.
Why do you need me to hold it up?
So I can focus on the camera.
On the camera? I'm gonna do this.
I know.
Why would you not focus on me?
I had to I'm gonna focus on the camera and then change it to behind you.
dog. Fucking ready, nigga?
Alright, go.
Okay, don't do it.
Okay. Okay. Hey, well. Tick. Okay, go.
My name is Raymond Carter. Been working homicide in this city for the last 10 years. I was promoted recently. Well, it was more like a lateral move into the cold case department.